Difficult customers on hardcore pawn.
How you doing?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Okay.
My girlfriend's about to fly back home without me. I have no money.
13-inch TVs, I sell them for $15. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
What the am I gonna do? So what are you gonna...
What brand is that?
Chain Chong.
Never actually seen a, what kind is it?
I want 200 bucks for it.
200 for that?
The following customer enters the pawn shop looking to get money to see his girlfriend. He was looking to get an absurd amount of money for his old TV, and when Seth told him no, he started to act very dumb.
So what are you gonna offer me?
I'm not interested.
I don't want to get stuck in Detroit. What am I gonna do?
Basically make a complete spectacle for no reason.
My girlfriend's gonna dump me. I'm gonna be stuck in Detroit. I don't know where to go.
The customer started to get very dramatic as he desperately wanted to see his girlfriend. The customer quite literally dropped to his knees begging for money, and shortly after that, he had a full-on mental breakdown.
Idiot.
You're gonna make me leave?
Pretty much.
Have I ever seen something like this?
This dude literally threw himself in the trash. I mean, what was he even trying to accomplish by doing this? Line drama.
This for about 40 minutes. Hey, man, I got nothing to do with that, man. I was way back there, man.
He says he was here for 40 minutes. Bull.
He wants money for this old game system.
Been up in this 40 minutes, bro.
Can't give you anything.
What you mean?
Yeah,
You
so,
can't keep
I don't-
that. We can
He's talking so fast, I can't even understand what the hell he's saying.
You cuss in front of me, man.
The guy comes in with a bad attitude.
The following customer starts causing a scene as he was waiting in line for over 40 minutes. Les knew that this guy was lying about how long he was in the store, and he was just talking way too fast for anyone to understand.
What about your watch? Want to pawn your watch?
Hell no. Been lying for about 40 minutes, bro.
Doesn't matter how long you've been lying.
Yeah, man, what up, man? What's up?
We don't care. We weren't going to take the video game anyway. Another day, another day.
This customer just refused to listen. He was one of the most self-centered and arrogant customers to ever be on the show. More line drama.
Line is not moving. Everybody in there hot. Y'all manager at, man. Hello?
What did you need?
I need my out of palm. All I got is my ID and my money.
So wait a minute. Screw you. You're going to wait, just like everybody else. Keep yelling. We're not going to be able to take...
Don't touch me.
No,
Okay, here's the deal. Will you stop yelling? Here, you're going to have to deal with me.
The following customer wastes no time causing a scene as she started to complain about the long line in the shop. Les attempted to help her out, but she didn't have a ticket, and she just wouldn't stop complaining or yelling.
Keep yelling. We're not going to be able to take care of it.
I've been in line
For
behind
you?
all these mother over there. Don't...
Sir, ma'am, I don't know. You tell me.
Man, come on, you the dude with the ponytail?
But you're raising your voice.
She wanted to be heard, she wanted to be loud, and the louder she got, the more attention she got.
We're not holding out the process.
If you
Man,
keep
get out of my
yelling,
face.
come back later.
I need to get my today. I have to
Turning
go to jail
yourself in.
tomorrow.
The customer was in such a rush because she needed to go to jail the next day, which was honestly pretty crazy. Les did everything possible to calm down the customer, but she was just way too hungry for some attention.
I'm aggravated, dude. I'm standing in here, my armpits sweat. Take
stay
my
hot.
shirt off.
Why, you'd like that?
I might.
I
Just
told
stand
you to
right
get
there.
in line.
And
Just
I
stand
don't
right
get my
there.
spot back.
Okay,
I'm
here.
not
Come
gonna
on with
fucking
me. Come on with me.
And when your place comes back, I'll actually come outside and get you.
Let her waiter turn outside.
Hot than the out here.
Things quickly took a weird turn when Les suggested that Seth take off his shirt in front of this angry customer. Les actually showed some compassion and saved the customer's place in line instead of kicking her out.
Come outside and wait. What the am I out here waiting for? Money in my ID. I just want my.
We had to escort her out. Let her waiter turn. You ready?
But my dad actually looked out for this woman, which I was completely shocked about.
148.60.
You depart from my speaker too.
You have to act nice. She wanted us to carry the speakers out in a cart. No, you can't.
I can't get a cart, man.
Les made the customer wait outside until it was her turn to do business. Even when it got to her turn, she started to complain even more as she wanted the staff to carry her items outside, which wasn't going to happen.
How the you bring it in?
Never dull moment.
I haven't touched you, bro. Just get her out of here. See you later.
Baby, I got you, bad boy.
Come on, let's get it.
No sweat, I got you, dude.
At the end of the day, everybody's happy.
Easy $10 ever made, 1 minute.
This customer refused to calm down, but luckily, there was another customer who was willing to carry out this customer's speakers, but the customer kept on being disrespectful to the shop. Tough negotiations.
What can we do for you?
I could this 100-year-old cigarette box.
Actually, this isn't even close to a 100-year-old. It's not old.
How old?
It's not old. It's
How old though?
The following customer was looking to get big money for what she claims is a 100-year-old cigarette box.
I'm asking you.
It's not old. Ma'am, do you want to pawn it or sell
Yes,
it?
I
How
do,
much did you
but how
need?
much-
Ma'am, it's your ring. How
It
much would you
costs
like?
for it.
How much would you like? Thank you.
Welcome.
Sure.
I'll never come here again.
That's what you get when you don't know what you have.
Les respectfully attempted to negotiate with the customer, but wasn't having it, and she left the pawn shop right then and there. Loud ladies.
I told you I didn't want to come to this mother any
Look, bitch, I gotta get my ugly feet done. Why the you always motherfucking ask me to ride with your and some Janet Jones? What the you want? Shush my ass. We having a conversation with each other.
You're very inappropriate for the screaming.
Could be just as happy sitting out at home drinking me a beer.
These two customers started making a lot of noise after they were stuck waiting in line. The woman in the purple just had a serious attitude, and when Ashley tried to tell them to quiet down, they started to throw a tantrum.
There's kids around here.
What? And?
Why don't you calm your mouth down? Careful, you're gonna fall.
I think I got a lawyer, mother. 1-800 lawyer, mother.
Okay.
You coming out here, bitch? Come on.
That-
What you gonna do? Come on.
Could you imagine your grandmother acting like that?
Kiss my entire ass.
The greatest generation.
These customers were just insufferable, and the old lady started to go on a rampage. The two left the store on their own, which was a bit unexpected, but when the old lady was outside, she started to say the weirdest things. The show.
What's up?
How much I get for my earrings? You know, $2,000.
Huh? $30.
So they gonna be worth a whole lot more money when I blow up.
So that's what you do for a living?
I'm a male dancer.
Really?
Yeah. I make good deal.
I'm not interested in a dance from him. No, no! I'm good. This is a store.
Yeah.
You're a stripper.
Yes, ma'am.
The following customer enters the pawn shop looking to get their earrings out of the pawn shop. When Ashley told him how much he owed, he started to dance around in the pawn shop, which was honestly just very weird.
You can't, like, take off your clothes here. You have to keep your clothes on. Sir!
Bro. Get out the room, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh, my God!
Let's go, fellas. Let's go.
Hey, Byron, you want to dance with us?
Slide out the door.
The customer put on a whole show for the pawn shop to see, but Ashley wasn't too impressed by his moves. The customer did not care, but eventually got kicked out of the shop. The tantrum.
I left my ticket on the counter yesterday.
Do you have an ID on you? I don't see you in the system.
How are you gonna tell me when I left my ticket on the counter? Listen to me. Cause you sounding stupid.
You'd be in my system.
I should be in your system. I need you to look for it. To keep
No,
for it. Maybe
not
I'm
here.
gonna work. I'll go home with my ticket.
You're not.
I am. I'll call somebody else every day.
I've seen the scam before. It never worked.
The following customer enters the pawn shop claiming that she accidentally left her ticket at the pawn shop the other day. When the staff looked up her name on the system, nothing was found and she got very frustrated.
Somebody else come in the window.
Call him now.
Ma'am.
Call him louder.
No thanks.
Call him louder with your little bitty ass.
Did.
Listen, you gotta touch me. If you want all this, is all
Girl,
you gotta
come on
do.
now. Go ahead.
If you
Oh.
want, but you want my number and all that, right? That's what you want?
Hey, baby girl. Twerk good.
As she was being thrown out the pawn shop, she started to get way too flirty with the security, which was just unexpected. Guitar deal.
I got something I want to show you. One of the first lap stills.
This was one of those deals that I wanted Karen involved. So how'd you get it?
I bought it from a lady some time back.
I really want to see you play it. Give it all you got. Why do you want to sell it?
Good question.
The following customer enters the pawn shop looking to get money for a 1930s guitar. This was one of the first kinds of electric guitars ever made, and Les wanted to use this as an opportunity to teach Karen how to negotiate.
The mortgage is due again. This is the first of it.
Ain't that a bitch? How much you want for this thing?
I want $2,000 for it.
Why?
Well, I care. It's a pretty nice piece.
Bottom line you would take for it.
I'll take 15.
You won't take less than $1,000 for it? $950. You wouldn't take it? All right, let me go look it up. Give me a second.
One of the first lap stills ever made.
The customer needed to pay his mortgage, and he was looking to get $2,000. The guitar had significant sentimental value to this customer, but that doesn't bring in any money. Les then did some research on the item.
All right, let me go look it up. Scroll up. Go to highest first. I don't have a long time to hold out on an item. We need to buy it. The problem is nobody's buying it.
Give me 900.
375?
No, I'm sorry.
400, I wouldn't do it.
You want to give me 600? Thanks anyway.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. I deal with these kind of customers every single day. It doesn't pay to invest in something you're going to lose in.
Right.
While the item was pretty cool, there just wasn't enough demand for it, and Les offered the customer $400. The customer just wouldn't budge, and no deal was made for this guitar, which was a bit disappointing. Receipt drama.
Are you her customer or mine? Lady got so irate because she wanted to be next in line.
Ma'am, calm down.
Who do you think you are to talk to us like that?
I want to talk to him. When the I want to
will you
talk
do
to
me a
him. Now
favor?
what? I can talk civilized to you. Do you want to? I want to pay.
Well, you have to go to those windows.
I'm not, no. You're not the police. I can talk to whoever I want to talk to.
This woman came in to pay her interest, but she approached the window as if they owed her something. She walked right onto the window, breaking the line, and demanded that Ashley run her receipt.
I come to this line any other time.
To be served at American Jewelry, you need to wait your turn.
I'm finna walk straight up to the damn window. Y'all just gonna do something.
See this lady here? Don't accept her interest.
And I always come to this line.
I'm sorry, you have to stand.
Bitches.
Thank you. Can't wait your turn. Come back when we're not busy.
They'll be back later.
When Les told her she doesn't get any special privileges at the store, she lost it and began arguing with him instead. She was told to go stand in the correct line, and she started fighting and was eventually denied service. Angry husband.
I'm on the sales floor. I see this guy pacing.
Trying to get my guitar back. That's how I make my living.
This man was standing in line, but he looked like he was going to jump out of it.
Are you the manager?
I don't want to get other customers upset.
Okay, I've been here like 25 to 30 minutes. My wife's racking my nuts on the telephone constantly. Yeah, I'm busy, all right? I'm standing in line. I'm trying to get it out. You want to leave me alone? So I just want my guitar out, and I want to get out of here. So I'll get it out right when I get up.
No, we can't put it through the window.
Ashley came up to him because of how distraught he looked, but he kept getting more erratic by the second. His wife kept calling him over and over again, and with that, his outbursts kept getting worse.
Would you pick this up, please?
Leather jacket's at. They're gonna bring it for you.
All right. I gotta wait over here now?
Go over there, and I'm gonna go get it for you.
Okay.
Right back. Somebody getting a guitar. Thank you. He just has to double check it for you. Bye-bye.
Even when Ashley helped him out, he was still going off and making faces at everyone along the way. Seems like he's got a lot more going on than he let on, so he just stormed out of the door like he entered. Crazy duo.
Anybody in the aisle? There you go, right there. You just take our money and sell us.
All items sold as is unless separate warranty. It's
and you
messed
get
up
beat
everywhere.
by a mother like you, man.
This father-son duo walked into the store screaming their heads off.
Wait. Are you gonna do business?
I want another TV. But I'm just saying, I don't like to get stepped over.
People acting crazy in my store.
All right, man.
So
Bogus ass. My father bought it, man. I'm his son.
So then what the are you talking about?
It's American, man. Right. Yes, sir.
Even though his father was trying to calm his son down and talk to Les, he wasn't up for shutting up. He was constantly screaming, but Les and Seth really know how to do business.
Okay, so what are you doing with it? Oh, it's okay.
So it'll be additional charge. I'll get you up to a 32-inch.
It's a little bigger. Yeah, it'll work.
Take this 32-inch, give me 65 more bucks. You're gonna tell more people about this place? I'm good.
They offered the man a much bigger TV for the teeny-weeny cost of $60 on top of their original purchase. Keyboard drama.
Hello. Hey, how you doing, Freddie?
Okay, how are you?
I'm all right. I got a recording gig I got to do, and I only need to know if I can borrow it. Is your manager here? Can I talk to him?
Sure.
This man came in to borrow the keyboard he'd pawned here so he could make it to his recording gig.
He has a keyboard and pawn. And he wants to borrow it.
I got to do a recording gig.
That ID ain't no good anyway. The date's been cut off.
That's my play, my Liberace. I'm just asking you to do me a favor, bro. Can you come out so we can talk?
I can.
Les suggested he pawn his ring in place of the keyboard. That way, he wouldn't have to pay anything. But he didn't even agree with that.
Liberace.
I'm going to give you. Could somebody get this big bell off of me?
Yes.
Send me borrow the keyboard. I only need it for an hour. See, I was going to buy a microphone, too. I ain't buying.
Even if you're Liberace, I'm not going to loan you your keyboard.
He even tried to yell at Les to intimidate him, but that man didn't budge. He's got his rules. You can pay and take your item or forget about it.
I'm sorry, sir. With money,
You cannot have my ring.
Well, then you can't have your keyboard back.
That's not for that.
Don't come in here kicking my stuff. Liberace, it's time to go.
Whatever. Hey, hold on.
Just have a good day, player.
Hold on. Oh, that ain't even called for, man.
You know what I'm saying? There you go.
Eventually, the situation got so heated with this difficult customer that he had to be kicked out of the store by security. And even then, he was fighting back and yelling. Some people just don't quit. Saw a tantrum.
I don't know why you buy it. Here.
How you doing, guys? Keith,
This
nice
is
to
my
meet you.
brother, Marcus.
Marcus.
Piece of don't work. Y'all told us it was as is type deal.
Right, as is a saw.
These brothers walked into the store fuming because one of them bought a saw earlier in the day.
Or was it your brother?
He bought the damn thing. No, I got your wood right here. Was there a manager around here?
Yeah, you're talking to him.
I got grandkids older than this piece of You know how to use a saw?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
Seth asked them a few more details about what was going on, but the men thought that the angrier they seemed.
I work for a damn living.
No.
Damn
Listen, I know.
Come on, Bubbles.
No.
Hey, country boys, I'm doing the herding, and I'm doing the rounding up.
Yo, you got
The men became inconsolable, and even when security got involved, they wouldn't stop with their yelling. To get their heads straight, Seth had them thrown out of the store. Bank trouble.
Type in your PIN, and let's see how it works. I started going back and forth with this one customer. When it says preferred customer, we have to treat it as a debit.
This woman wanted to make a purchase, but not with cash.
To call your customer service department.
What's to you?
What you can also do is, do you want me to run it in for a less amount?
No.
Dumbass bitch. I guess you ain't getting it, because I'm not about to pay my cash money.
Ashley tried to explain to her that maybe she needs to call her bank and figure out the payment situation, but she got even angrier. Golden tooth.
How you feeling?
I've been feeling good.
I done break the stuff all the way out here.
With the gold tooth. What you want me to do with that? Oh, Lord.
I thought you wanted some detail.
Okay.
I was down in the valley.
She was eating some corn in the valley.
And I've been eating off the cob.
Gotcha.
This woman walked up to pawn an interesting item, a gold tooth. Not just any gold tooth, one that still had her own tooth in it. She'd taken it out of her own mouth to pawn it because she needed 100.
Oh, I knew exactly what she was talking about. Give me just a second. Let me test it real quick. She want a loan on it. This young lady.
I can go 40.
Huh?
Okay.
When I get 50, came back there, took him in the bush, he'd been all right. I'll drop it like it's hot.
Oh, Lord.
So I'm gone.
She really wanted the 100, but Les drives a hard bargain. So he told her 40 or nothing, and she very, very reluctantly agreed and walked away. Les got some gold, and she got some money. Thankfully, it all worked out. Camera deal.
Hey, can you go get the guy and a half? I just paid $2,000 that you can. Somebody
They said they can't find it.
How you? I ain't standing here all
Out to her. Did you find it?
I haven't found her. Like,
Look it up really quickly. Let me see that ticket. Don't call it. Looking for. I looked at the ticket and realized she's 2.5.
This woman came into the store to pay off a camera she'd pawned, but since she came 2.5 months after her due date, the camera wasn't there anymore. So the workers in the back found her a similar camera.
Past due. Everybody who pawns something gets.
y'all lost something about it.
Something you're picking up out of layaways? You got it? Run it then. I got this. Just you basically cut me off.
Digital cameras right now are real.
While the woman created a ruckus outside, Ashley figured out that the camera's probably been sold at this point, so the most she can do here is give her a similar camera.
Pay for it. She would have told me that. Exactly. Where's it at?
You're past due, so
I
it was
don't
my.
care. I want to see somebody else, not you. Whoever.
We're open till 6, so you can enjoy.
For it, though.
Didn't you have something for her? Yeah, did you?
When Ashley tried to explain to her that she needed to come in months ago to get the camera, the woman demanded she do business with Les.
Why?
I'm trying to turn this on, and it's not.
Don't you walk out there?
But
like
if you were
2
here,
hours ago,
yeah,
right?
if you were here in October, we would have
Traded.
Oh,
Give me my stuff.
because it's the truth.
I don't care.
Right as she was at the door, she turned around, saying the replacement isn't working. The weight on the whole thing made the woman even angrier, and it became a screaming competition inside the store.
Say, let me go. I won't.
Keep my ass away. Well, if I was involved...
This is not enough.
You gotta go. Bye.
Oh, another camera. They just treated me.
What?
You spend an hour and a half